Hi there! Meet the infirack multifunctional stainless steel dish drying rack, perfect for any kitchen corner. This sleek, wall-mounted rack features a drawer-draining design that keeps your countertop dry and clutter-free. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it resists rust and corrosion while ensuring safety for your family. The included hanging chopsticks cylinder helps organize utensils and prevents bacteria buildup. Cleaning is a breeze since the material resists grease stains and restores easily to a like-new look. Installation is simple with clear, step-by-step instructions included. Upgrade your kitchen organization effortlessly with this durable and stylish drying rack. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.